All right. So patient running a little bit late. On who? On me. Man, I wonder what they put in this stuff. It's pretty nice. Man, it's a good book here. That's how I work on my dance moves. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. Hey fam, you probably finally made it. Oh, you gotta see. What happened? You know you running late. What happened?
Innocent bystander. They saying I drove a getaway car, but I cannot see. I'm legally blind. I did not drive no getaway car. I'm legally blind.
So you can't see at all?
Huh?
You can see though, right?
I'm legally blind. I can see barely.